In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off simple mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit system and updates. Then select simple mode and hit enable. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, hit settings, scroll all the way down and tap on exit simple mode at the bottom in the middle. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!